too far.
Go too far, hang on. Just wondering if we can get out.
It won't pan it.
Yes, it can.
How about that then?
Wow.
I'm gonna try it.
No, if it goes too far away, none of us are getting in there to get it.
What?
And remember, the other one kept going off on the grass for you, didn't it? Give that one more try.
Yep. I was in control of my car complete time. I think I can do it.
Oh no, you're going too far. Grandad? Yeah, you're doing it. I can't believe you.
Whoa, upside down.
Oh.
That's bad.
Why?
Very bad. Look, set the ducks afire.
It still goes upside down.
It works really well.
It looks like a boat when that happens.
So you can still steer it if it goes upside down.
Yeah.
No, do a special splash. Do a big splash. No, is it going too far? I really want to touch that blue track. I think there's fishes in that blue track.
Oh, I must have been lucky the first time.
This is not put enough to fight to the land.
That's one of the lost swans. It's very big. It's swimming.
Yeah, they fish. Oh,
Where is
the baby? That's. Was that a moorhen or duck?
Which one?
Is it like a bird?
There are some more hens on here. There was one here just now.
There.
Oh yeah, that's a moorhen.
What is a moorhen?
A little black duck.
There's one over there.
No, that's big ducks, and I can't think what they're called.
Look, it's going to the swans.
Swan select ducks there.
We're not human.
Finally. I bet Nan doesn't get it on film.
I got it. It's out the corner of the film.
Grandad!
Getting dry.
We're gonna get dry, Grandad.
That'll do. We've done what we wanted to do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.